The web unrest has opened numerous chances to acquire cash on the web. There are numerous individuals who are utilizing different web strategies to acquire additional cash. There are numerous ways that can assist you with earning additional cash. In any case, the most favored technique to procure cash is from blogging. You can utilize your composition aptitudes to gain better than average money month to month. In any case, you require certain seeing, for example, adapting a blog, catchphrases, search motor streamlining, and so forth. These understandings will assist you with getting enormous traffic of guests, which unquestionably is a primary objective that gains cash. In addition, another significant thing is the exact execution of these strategies. The initial step to begin the blogging is to begin expounding on your encounters and learnings. It is critical to expound on subjects that perusers will discover both significant and fascinating. From the start, it is pushed that composition a blog requires the comprehension of catchphrases. A catchphrase is set a word, which individuals as a rule type in an internet searcher to discover the data. Exploring and utilizing right catchphrases is fundamental to get a decent page positioning. A decent page positioning will keep the substance of your page unmistakable at the primary page of web crawler. A decent internet searcher positioning will create traffic, which is urgent for profiting from blogging. Subsequent to composing a decent substance with the catchphrases, it is time that you should adapt the blog. Adapting requires joining with the promoting system. There are not many kinds of promoting system, for example, logical advertising, content showcasing and associate showcasing. The logical showcasing and content advertising systems pay the cash to show the important advertisements. The offshoot promoting system is a commission-based system, which pay when you prompt offers of their items or administrations. Taking everything into account, a reliable and intriguing site can pull in rush hour gridlock to your site, construct strong associations with your perusers, and along these lines give a stage on which to sell your administrations and items. Aileen Gallagher is an effective business mentor and online advertiser working with a group of pioneering web advertisers, every one of whom she mentors on a balanced premise so as to copy her prosperity. Click the link in the description for more information.